Hello students, today we will discuss all about prepositions which is an important part of speech. Before this session, we will understand what is the part of speech. Part of speech is an important part of sentence. There are 8 parts of speech: noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and last one is interjection. Let's get started now. Preposition is the sixth part of speech. What is the preposition? Prepositions are words or group of words that show the relationship between noun or pronoun and other words in the sentence. The other words in the sentence may be a noun, verb or adjective. The type of preposition depend on WH word. Where, in which direction. Basically, preposition tell us where something is located. These prepositions are known as preposition of place. For example, the book is in my backpack. Here the word in is telling us the location of book, where it is located. Hence, the word in is the preposition in the sentence. Let us understand more about preposition from the next example. They walked across the park. Here the word across indicates some location. Hence the word across is preposition. There are several prepositions are as follow. Let's take a look. Above, at, like, in, on, under, behind, between, down, up, with, and many more. Now I am going to explain you some prepositions that indicates location. In first picture, we can see the ball which is in the box. Here, the preposition in indicates the location. In second picture, we see that the ball is on the box. Here, the preposition on indicates the location. As per above mentioned, the preposition under, next to, behind, in front of, between, etc. indicates the location. There are some preposition which indicates day, month and time. This includes the preposition at, in, on, etc. These prepositions are known as preposition of time. Example of preposition in are: number 1 in the morning, second one in the evening, third one in January. Example of preposition on are: number 1 on Monday, second one on Sunday, third one on April 15th. Example of preposition at are: number 1 at 8:30 p.m., second one at midday, third one at midnight. There is third type of preposition which is preposition of direction. The example of this includes to, into, of, from, etc. Now let us over this useful session with a short summary. Preposition tells us relationship between noun and other words. The type of preposition depends upon when, where, in which direction. When tells us preposition of time, where tells us preposition of place, and in which direction represents preposition of direction. I hope you enjoyed this video and learn with fun. Thanks for watching this video.